Hello students, now today we'll do examples based on integration by the method of substitution. For that I will take one example, that is integration of tan to the power 4x secant square x dx. By the method of substitution we have to verify which one we can substitute so that we can get the easily integration. See, if I take tan x equal to t, if I substitute tan x is t, what will get? The differentiation secant square x. Okay, then numerator denominator secant square x get cancelled and we can easily do. If we take secant square x t, then we know that secant square x differentiation is 2 sec x tan x, and again do the differentiation of what sec x, that is sec x tan x, means it is a little bit a lengthy process and will not get a direct answer. Okay, please remember that if we are using the method of substitution, always better you take the, if you substitute the value of tan or whatever, then if you done the differentiation, that one is there in your integration. That one we have to take a substitution. Okay, suppose if I take, just concentrate, put tan x equal to t. Okay, do the differentiation. Why? Because we want to eliminate dx as a dt. Therefore, differentiate x with respect to t. Tan differential is what? Secant square x. X differential is dx dt. Dx is equal to dt by secant square x. Dx is equal to dt by secant square x. Then integration of tan. See, what is our tan x? Tan x is t. We'll get it is t to the power 4 secant square x, right? Dx is what? dt by secant square x. See, secant square x get cancelled and left it is integration of t to the power 4 dt. See, please remember that we have to do the integration. Suppose if they mentioned in the method of substitution, always we have to take the substitution if the differentiation is there, multiplication or whatever. If differentiation is there, that one we have to take a method of substitution. T to the power 4, we know that integration of x to the power 4, x to the power 5 by 5. T means we can write t to the power 5 by 5 plus, and replace t as in terms of x 5 because the given example is in terms of x. Therefore, tan by x by 5 plus, this is how we can do the example. Okay, next example I will take. Integration of 2x sine of x square plus 1 dx. See, if I take sign substitution, we will get cos, that one is not multiplied. But if you take x square plus 1 as t, please concentrate. If you take x square plus 1 as t, the differentiation of x square is what? 2x. That one is multiplied. Therefore, we are taking here put x square plus 1 equal to t. Just verify. Then, what is? We are doing the differentiation. X with respect to t, we will get x square differential is 2x dx, or else 2x, I will write constant differential is 0 into dx is equal to dt, or dx is equal to what? dt by dx. Okay, therefore we can write this one as 2x sin t dx is dt by 2x. This 2x get cancelled, left integration of sin t dt. Integration of sin t is what? Minus cos t plus c. Minus cos, what is our t? X square plus 1 plus c. This is how we can do the example by using the method of substitution. Okay, please remember that we are taking the substitution, or we can put the value so that its differentiation exists in the given example. That one we have to substitute. Okay. Next example I will take. Such type of examples are given in the exam. 3 marks question. Remember that. Okay. Next example. Integration of sine of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Please concentrate here. If you take tan inverse x, its differentiation is what? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That 1 plus x square is in the denominator. Therefore, we can do the substitution. Put tan inverse x equal to t. Okay. Do the differentiation. X with respect to t. Tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square dx is d. Dx is 1 plus x square dt. Then apply the integration of sine tan inverse x is t divided by 1 plus x square. Dx is 1 plus x square dt. Get cancelled. Left it is integration of sine t dt. And we know that integration of sine t is minus cos t plus c. Minus cos t is what? Tan inverse x plus. This is how we can do the exam. Okay. Next. Next example is integration of tan x dx. We know the formula, but if you don't know the formula, how to simplify this one? That I will give the explanation. Tan means what it is? Sin by cos. Correct. Tan is sin by cos. If you take sin x is t, its differential is what? Cos x. That one is in the denominator. Means we can substitute easily. Put sin x is t. Integration of tan x dx. You can write sin x by cos x dx. Okay. Substitute, put cos x is t. We get differentiate x with respect to t. Cos differential is what? Minus sin. Minus sin x dx is dt. Dx is dt by minus sin x. We'll get it is in the form of cos x is t. Therefore, we can write sin x by t dt by minus sin x. Minus sin x. Sin x get cancelled. We get minus 1 by t dt. And we know that minus 1 by t is minus 1 by x integration is log x. Log t plus. And according to logarithm, we know that log of minus log t can be written as log of t to the power minus 1 means log of 1 by t. Right? Using that one, we can write this as log of modulus of t to the power minus 1 plus c. Or we can write log of 1 by t plus c. Or we can write this as log of 1 by t. What is your t? 1 by cos x plus c. Or else we can write log of 1 by cos is what? Sec x. Therefore, we can write sec x plus c. This is how we can do the example. Similarly, try for cot x. I will give the example for homework. Do that integration of cot x dx. The same pattern. Okay, we'll do next example. Next example is integration of sec x dx. This one will do. The example is in the form of sec x. Sec x plus tan x. We are multiplying numerator and denominator so that we can get easily the answer of the sec x. What we have done here? Multiplying numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x. Okay. And take the denominator. This one as the method of substitution. Put sec x plus tan x is t. Then do the differentiation. Differentiate x with respect to t. Sec x differentiation is sec x tan x and tan x differentiation is sec x per x dx is dt. Okay. Then which one is common here? Sec x. Sec x will get it is tan x plus sec x into dx is dt, or dx is dt by sec x tan x plus sec x. Okay, means we will get it is in the form of integration of sec x plus tan x. Sec x plus tan x is t, dx is dt by sec x plus tan x. Okay, sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x, sec x get cancelled. Integration of 1 by t dt. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Therefore, 1 by t we can write log of modulus of t plus c, or log of modulus of sec x plus tan x plus c. This is the answer of integration of sec x. Similarly, I will give another one as homework, integration of cosec x dx. Next example is integration of sin cube x cos square x dx. Integration of sin cube x cos square x dx. Okay, this one how to solve? This one we can do the example is in the form of sin square x, okay, into cos square x into sin x dx. Sin square into sin what will get it is sin cube, correct? And sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square x into cos square x into sin x dx. And we know the differentiation of cos is what is sin. That one is already multiplied. Therefore, we can take put cos x is t. Put cos x is, do the differentiation. Differentiate x with respect to t. Okay, we will get minus sin x dx is dt, or dx is dt by minus sin x. Okay, then we will get it is integration of 1 minus t square sin x dt by minus sin x. Sin x get cancelled, multiply, we get it is t square into t square is t to the power 4 with minus sign, minus dt, or multiply minus sign, we get minus t square, minus into minus become plus t to the power 4 dt. We get it is minus t cube by 3 plus t to the power 4 integration is t to the power 5 by 5 plus t. Okay, then t, replace t as what? Cos. We get minus cos cube x by 3 plus cos of 5x by 5 plus 6. This is how we can do the x. Okay. Integration of sin x by sin of x plus a dx. For this we have to take put x plus a as t. Substitute x plus a as t because we don't know the particular differential. Here also sign, here also sign. Therefore, which one is little bit changes x plus a? That one we are taking the substitution. And do the differentiation. Differentiate x with respect to t. We get dx. Constant is there a. The constant differentiation we know that what it is 0. Therefore, dx plus 0 will get 0 only. dt means we can add this one as integration of what? Sine of x plus a as t means this implies x is equal to what? T minus a. X plus a as t means x represent t minus a. Therefore, this x we can write t minus a. Did you understand? See what we have done here. X plus a as t means x represent what it is? T minus a. Replace x is in terms of t because our new limit is what? dt call. Then it is sin t. Okay? dx is dt. And we know that the formula. Sin of x minus y. That is the formula is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. That formula we are applying. T represent x, a represent y. Sin of t minus a. Alright? Sin t cos a, sin x cos y minus cos t sin a divided by sin of t dt. Okay? And make it separate division. Sin t cos a divided by sin t minus cos t sin a divided by sin t. Sin t it cancel. And left it is integration of cos a minus what? Sin a cos t by sin t. Cos by sin is what? Cot t. Cot t dt. Okay, and this one you can simplify. That one we get integration of c. This is a variable in the form of t. Therefore, a represent what it is? Constant. Correct. Therefore, cos a take outside. Do the integration of 1 dt minus sin a is a constant. Take outside. Do the differentiation of cot t dt. Cos a into t is what? 1 integration is t minus sin a. Cot t integration is log sin t. Okay, plus c. Replace t as what? X plus a. You get the answer. Cos a x plus a minus sin a log of modulus of sin of x plus a plus. This is how we can do the example. These are the examples based on by the method of substitution. Next, with the example, I will give homework. Please try to solve that example in home. That examples are integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. For this, which one we are doing the substitution? Put 1 plus x square equal to t. Okay, x per definition is 2x. Next one, I will give another one example as integration of 1 by x minus root x dx. For this x we can write root x the whole square minus root x dx. Which one is common here? Root x take outside. Root x minus 1 dx, because if you take root x common, you will get root x minus 1. Means which one we are substituting here? Put root x minus 1 is, so that we can get the answer easily. Okay, and another one example, if integration of 2x by e to the power x square dx. For this, which one we are taking substitution? Put x square equal to t. X square differential is what? 2x. That one is there. Next, another one example. E to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Put tan inverse x is t. Correct. Put tan inverse x is t. Why? If you take tan inverse x is t, its differential is 1 by 1 plus x square. That one we are applying directly. Okay. Therefore, we can do so many examples based on that. Try to solve that examples. If you not get, you can come and ask me. Okay. Thank you.